life begins with a remarkable competition. Millions of sperm race toward a single egg, but only one succeeds. At the molecular level, the sperm's acrosome enzymes break through the egg's protective barrier, allowing fertilization to begin. Inside the zygote, chromosomes from the mother and father pair up, forming DNA that will guide every step of growth. This genetic blueprint shapes not only the individual but also the possibility of twins. Identical twins occur when a single fertilized egg splits into two embryos, sharing the same DNA. In contrast, fraternal twins form from two separate eggs, each fertilized by a different sperm, resulting in siblings as unique as any brothers or sisters. By week 5, the tiny embryo has already developed one of life's most important signals, the heartbeat. Blood begins to circulate through delicate vessels, carrying oxygen and nutrients essential for growth. From sperm competition to DNA pairing, twin formation, and the first heartbeat, every step reveals the incredible precision of human development. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the miracle of life, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stunning 3D medical animations.